to another vlog. So today is what? Today is Thursday. I'm so excited today because I will be making my introductory video for a business I'll be starting soon. Meanwhile, if you are seeing this video, if you are seeing this vlog, it means, what do you want? It means that I don't know where it is. Make a comment. Sorry about that, guys. If you are seeing this vlog, it means I've already uploaded the video, and yeah. So do well to go. Now this boy has made me forget what I want to say. Do well to click the link in my description, rather, to follow the page, turn your notification, like, and keep the others coming. Yeah, today is upload day. As you guys know, it's Thursday. I stayed up late last night to upload the video, title, everything. I even created a thumbnail. So yeah, keep on supporting your girl, okay? Meanwhile, thank you so much, guys, for all the love and support from my 7 ways to change your life and level up in your 20s video. Is doing so well. Thank you. If you've not joined the family, do join the family. Turn your notification, subscribe, and yeah, let's get started. I want to apply makeup on my face. I want to apply makeup, and then I'm going to wear some of the clothes and make the video. So yeah, get ready with me.
It's always you. It's always you. It's always you. It's always you.
One eternity later.
Hello, love. So I'm done with my makeup, my go-to makeup, and I was trying to experiment, so I added a lot to get this shade of lipstick. Anyways, so there was a comment in one of my videos that I should make a full tutorial video. If you would like to see how I got this simple natural makeup look, do well to let me know in the comment section, and any other video that you would want me to make, let me know, okay? Kiss. Let me set up the background and start.
Always you. It's always you. It's always you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
Hello, loves. So today is Saturday. Excuse me, guys, I'm exhausted, and the funny thing is I just finished prepping my hair to get productive, and I'm already feeling this way. So I don't know if I'm still going to do what I plan on doing, but yeah, when I'm in a better frame of mind, I will. Meanwhile, I spent the whole of yesterday trying to edit my introductory video, and it was just 21 seconds. I edited like you guys don't want to know. So my mini tripod / selfie stick got broken. Tragic, guys. I spent so much money on that thing. I was like, I need it, so I ordered a new one from Jumia. So let's unbox. So this is the old one. So let's do what I ordered for versus what I got. I'm going to put the photo of the product. Okay. Looks nice. 3,840 naira, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but plus shipping fee is 5,130 naira. And I bought this one, ordered it from Lagos, and it was 9k. So you guys now understand why my heart is broken. Just fine. Let me just unbox this thing. You guys, this looks really cute. Why is it sounding like that? Scary, but okay. This looks different. Oh, okay. I was beginning to wonder where this elastic part was, and this is the, okay, this is it. This is the Bluetooth remote. Can't remove it. You guys, the other one is detachable, and I was thinking this one will also be detachable. Look, but now I think I broke it, spoiled it. It's not coming on again. No.
One eternity later.
It's coming on, it's still working. Okay, this is a tripod part. This is different though, you guys. Hey. Okay, let's see. I don't know, will this stand? Oh, okay. Standing looks okay to me. I think I got what I ordered for, so yeah. Hello love, so today is Monday, and it's a money making Monday. More like a busy Monday. You guys, I hurt myself yesterday in the kitchen, and I forgot to apply a share butter on it before going to bed, and this was what I got this morning when I woke up. Anyways, yesterday evening I made my hair this way. I threaded my hair so it will be easier for me to pack it up and style my hair. Today I will be modeling the other clothes that I have. So yeah, don't worry, I'm not going to show you guys the process of getting ready. I'm just going to apply makeup on my face because I feel gingered. I feel more in the mood when I apply makeup. Makes me look more serious, you know, that kind of thing. So that's what I'm just gonna do today. So yeah, what else I want to tell you guys? Okay, yeah, so if you're seeing this vlog, I know I already said it before, go check out my page on Instagram. Okay, follow and place an order. Hey guys, I'm done with my makeup and my hair is now slicky. So hello loves. So today I will be working out after a very long time. So yeah.
Why'd you like it feel this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you. It's always you.
Hello my loves, it's been a while I spoke to you guys. Sorry guys, my voice sounds terrible. So I caught the flu and it's been a terrible few days. It's been a terrible couple of days. I don't even speak English anymore. And then I caught the flu, but I feel better. Today I will go out to get some drugs. But to the good news, look what I did to my hair. But that's not the good news. The good news is that my friend is getting married. So today I'm going to make my hair. I want to make a ponytail. So yeah, I'm ready to leave the house to go to the salon. So come with.
It's always you. It's always you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you. Keep falling for you.
Guys, so I'm done with my hair and I came to pick up my dress. So yeah, that's the update. Hey loves, so today is Friday. I'm not showing you guys my nails. I polished them. So yeah, today is Friday and it's the traditional marriage. So get ready with me. I'm not going to take you guys through the whole process, but I got a few things. I got a face primer for the first time. Yep, so all this while I've not been using a face primer. Then what did I get? Okay, new beauty blender and new lip gloss, and also I got this nail polish, so I can use it afterwards. So yeah, let's get ready. I'll try as much as possible to vlog and show you guys how the Ijaws get married. Okay, how the Ijaws marry, whatever, but yeah, I will try. So yeah, get ready with me. Hey loves, so I've had a terrible time. So I was done with my makeup and then something happened, so I was trying to rectify something happened on my face, so I was trying to rectify it and then it got worse, so I had to clean my makeup and do it again, and like I'm just very tired. Oh my god. You guys, I'll just see you guys, okay? I'm not going to pour my hair, I'm going to pack it the way it is. I'll just change my earrings. So yeah. Guys,
It's nothing left to do. The feeling's going so.
My wedding is no marriage. It is the rest for me. You know go young forever. Bachelor, go and marry your wife.
Hello my loves, so today is Saturday and it's the wedding. I'm loving this my dress from Asa Clothing. I can't show you guys my outfit here. I'm heading to the church now, so maybe when I'll try to show you guys my outfit, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. You guys, look at my flower. It's so cute.
See me to the rush, the rush.
You don't want us to hug. Kiss, kiss my baby. You're so beautiful.
Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time. Inspired by the ones that were left behind us. We fell for the light of a foreign sky. Applying to the forces above this life.
Music, please. Now you are talking. Now you are talking.
Dr. Peter Ziki. Okay. C'est un film là. Avant même le film là. C'est un peu comme la seconde.